What are Instagram link stickers? Do they replace the Instagram shopping feature since everybody seems to have access to it now? Should you use link stickers instead of being approved for Instagram shopping? If yes, how do you even do that? We'll discuss these in depth in today's video. Hi, I'm Lydia, and on this channel we talk about social media marketing for business and how to make more money online. So if you're interested in those topics, make sure to click the subscribe button below. Let's begin by sharing the differences between having an Instagram shopping feature enabled on your Instagram account or using link stickers. What are the differences between the two? So the differences between link stickers and product tags. The first difference is that product tags can be used for posts, reels, and stories, but link stickers can only be used for stories. So this is the first advantage into having Instagram shopping enabled on your profile. The next thing is that link stickers can be used to access any link by adding them to your story. So you can share a page link on your website, blog post link, or any link in general. It can be an affiliate link and much more. But with product tags, you can only link to your products or your collections in your shop. So the products that you've added to your Facebook catalog or the collections that you created in Facebook Commerce. So link stickers are definitely useful to be used in addition to product tags from Instagram shopping. Now, the third thing, you can link to a product collection with both link stickers and with product tags in a story, so they are both good for that. And the fourth thing is that you can get a link sticker without any effort if it was made available for your Instagram account. But for Instagram shopping and to enable that feature, you will need to go through a more lengthier process in which you have to add products to your catalog in Facebook. You need to verify your website domain in Facebook and much more. If you want to learn exactly how to do that step by step, please watch this video right here. Or if you need help with this feature because your commerce account was disabled, I have a service for this and I can help you get this feature, so make sure to click the link below. Now let's talk about each of these and how you can use each and their benefits. With Instagram shopping, you can tag products in your posts, in carousels, in your reels, in your stories, and you can have the option of view shop on your profile where people can see the collections that you've created in Facebook and browse through them, filter your products, sort your products, and much more. So it will be like an actual shop on your Instagram profile. Also, if you tag products in your stories with this feature, a highlight will be automatically created if you accept it that says shop with the shopping bag, and that will be the highlight that will include all the products that you've ever tagged in your stories. Your brand will be established, have demonstrated trustworthiness on both Facebook and Instagram, and it is definitely a feature that is worth having on your profile. But what if you can't get the Instagram shopping feature because you don't have enough followers on your account, or you're selling digital products or services that are not currently accepted with Instagram shopping? What do you do? How do you use link stickers to promote those types of products or services? The first thing, don't add the link sticker in your first story, put it there in every story and say to people, shop my product. This is not something you should do with product tags either. Instead, add a series of stories, talk about your product, show its benefits, and then link to the product, or link to the product in every story, but also share the benefits of the product, share a short video, a short reel about it, maybe share a sale or something else before just adding the link sticker to your story. The next tip is to showcase your link sticker in a unique way. You can create different types of link stickers templates in Canva, or you can create one in Instagram. Just type your link and what it says and put it over the link sticker in Instagram. And when people click on that, they will go automatically to your link. So you can brand those buttons in Canva or in the Instagram app. And you can also share some arrows that will point to the link, so people will see that there's a link there and they can click on it. And then the next tip is to create categories for your products in your highlights. So if you're tagging products in stories using link stickers, you can also create highlights that are categorized for your products. For example, you can have a general one that says shop, another one that says sale, another one for rings, bracelets, earrings, and all the categories that you have in your shop. This way, people will be able to shop by collection, and it will improve their browsing experience on your profile and their shopping experience after all. Honestly, at the end of this video, my conclusion is that both features are very useful for any business, but with Instagram shopping, you can also get checkout on Instagram, you can tag products in your posts, and you can have collections showcased on your profile. With link stickers, you can only use them for stories, but they are really useful to use if you don't have the option of enabling Instagram Instagram shopping. So do link stickers replace Instagram shopping? No way. But they are a really useful feature that everybody can use to link to other pages or products or services that you couldn't do with Instagram shopping. So I highly suggest using both. If you've enjoyed this video and it helped you out, don't forget to leave it a like and subscribe down below for more such content every single week. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram at lydia.incomingsuccess for more content on growing online with social media and making more money online. Thank you so much for being here, and I will see you in my next video.